Want to change your keyboard layout on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26? It only takes a few seconds. Here's how. On your Samsung Galaxy S26 series, you can easily switch keyboard layouts and fully customize your typing experience. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between layouts like QWERTY, QWERTY, and AZERTY using the Samsung keyboard. You'll also learn how to change keyboard colors, themes, modes, size, transparency, layout, font size, and more. If you're running One UI 8.5, this guide will help you get the most out of your keyboard settings. Alright, let's get started. How to customize keyboard layout on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, open your app drawer and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Then tap Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now tap Languages and Types. Select your language and choose your preferred layout, like QWERTY, QWERTY, or AZERTY. Customize keyboard style and layout. Go back to Samsung Keyboard Settings and scroll down to the Style and Layout section. Tap High Contrast Keyboard to choose a bold color combination. Tap Theme to apply a keyboard theme. Make sure dark mode is turned off to see all themes. Set keyboard theme from light, dark, or solid dark. Tap Mode to switch between Standard Keyboard, One-handed Mode, Floating Keyboard. Tap Size and Transparency to resize and reposition your keyboard. Tap Layout to show or hide number keys from Samsung Keyboard. Enable alternative characters. Customize the spacebar row, comma, period, etc. Tap Font Size to adjust the keyboard text size. Tap Custom Symbols to replace symbols on your keyboard. Reset option. If you don't like your changes, no problem. Just scroll down and tap Reset to Default Settings to restore the original Samsung keyboard layout. And that's how you customize your keyboard layout and style on your Samsung Galaxy device. Thanks for watching.